Ah. E. U.
Wow.
Amazing. So well done. What I was doing, yeah,
Who was that?
yeah. But some of those sounds were very quiet. Like a whisper, really, weren't they?
Yeah.
And you were detecting them all. You could tell that I was making a sound. And some of those sounds you've never heard before. So you've made a fantastic start. Don't worry. Eventually, that feeling's going to turn into sound. The important thing is you're detecting all the sounds at quiet levels. So it just takes a bit of time for your brain to work out what all this noise is, and it'll start having a bit more meaning for you. Yeah?
I hope so.
Yeah, no, you were doing amazing on that little test there, wasn't she?
She was brilliant.
Yeah.
Just all the sensations.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.